you how to fix the resources being rate limited issue on Discord. If you've encountered this frustrating error, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. So, you've probably seen this error message when trying to perform certain actions on Discord, like sending messages, joining channels, or making API requests. This happens when Discord limits the number of requests you can make in a short period of time. Here's how to fix it. So, firstly, Discord's limits are typically applied to actions like sending message, adding reactions, or using the API. If you're a bot developer, you might encounter this more often. Before you start troubleshooting, check if there are any ongoing issues or outages with Discord. You can do this by visiting Discord's status page, URL, or following Discord's Twitter account for updates. Sometimes the best solution is to wait out. Rate limits are temporary, and usually waiting a few minutes to an hour can resolve the issue. During this time, avoid making repeated requests. Make sure there aren't any background processes or scripts that might be causing excessive requests. On Windows, you can check this in Taskbar. On Mac, you can use Activity Monitor. Ensure that your Discard app is up to date. Sometimes outdated version can cause issues. And that's it. Those are some of the ways you can fix the resources being rate limited issue on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.